If you don't like blurry VR but still want to see every pixel, then you need to fix your Quest 3 the right way. Grab your headset, let's solve this together. First up, check your headset fit. If it's slipping or feels loose, adjust the top and side straps until it hugs your head like your favorite beanie. Wearing glasses? Use the spacer, even if you think you don't need it. It's like giving your eyes a little extra breathing room. Now, let's talk about IPD, the distance between your eyes. Slide that IPD adjuster back and forth until things look crisp. Still blurry? Make sure your headset isn't sitting too low. It should rest just above your cheekbones. Don't forget the lenses. Wipe them gently with a microfiber cloth, no shirts or tissues please. If your Quest fogs up, try an anti-fog cloth and avoid playing in a sauna. Lastly, give your Quest a minute to warm up, keep your software updated, and remember, finding that sweet spot is key. Stick with these tips, and soon your Quest 3 will look clearer than your grandma's TV after she finally cleaned her glasses.